Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi as the two Asian giants attempt to reset ties. Prime Minister Modi during the meet stressed that peace along the border was important to ensure cordial India-China ties and called for stable, constructive ties, highlighting it as vital for regional and global peace. Wang Yi also met NSA Ajit Doval. In the talks, Doval highlighted the new momentum in India-China ties and the importance of peace along the border.
I'm very happy that since then, in the last 9 months, there has been an upward trend. Borders have been quiet. There have been peace and tranquility. Our bilateral engagements have been more substantial.
The Chinese Foreign Minister in turn acknowledged that past setbacks have not served the interest of either country and reiterated Beijing's commitment to restoring stability on the border.
We maintained peace and tranquility in the border areas. We showed them up confidence to dispel interference, expand cooperation, and to further consolidate the momentum of improvement and development of China-India relations so that while pursuing our respective rejuvenation, we can contribute to each other's success.
The Chinese Foreign Minister also emphasized that bilateral engagements will be taken forward during Prime Minister Modi's upcoming visit to China for SCO summit.
The Chinese side attaches great importance to the Prime Minister's visit to China to attend the SCO summit at our invitation. We believe that the Indian side will also make your contribution to a successful summit in Tianjin.
Talks between China and India focused on de-escalation and border issues, need to counter terrorism, China's mega dam on the Brahmaputra with India seeking transparency, and the Taiwan question, India reaffirmed its position on Taiwan. The high-stakes visit is being closely watched, not just for what it means for the frozen India-China ties, but also for the signals it sends to the world at a time of shifting geopolitical alignments.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.